Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC Bluetooth is not working. So first you can see the taskbar, tap on it. There is option called Bluetooth. Make sure it is turned on in here. If it is turned on, just tap on it, then it will be turned on like this. Once it is done, you can close this one and make sure flight mode is turned off. If it is turned on, Bluetooth will be automatically turned off, so you have to turn off the flight mode before it is turned on the Bluetooth. Then after, go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and go to troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find the Bluetooth, tap on run. This will troubleshoot the Bluetooth related issues on your computer. You can see there is one problem found and it is fixed on it automatically. So if you see red mark like in here, that means it can't automatically fix by Windows troubleshooter. You have to manually fix that. So once it is identified, close this one and fix that issue. Again you need to go to search bar, search for services. In this application, just tap on it. In here you need to find Bluetooth support service. You can see it is right here. Double tap on it. Make sure it is set as automatically. If it is set as manual, change it to automatically. And you can see it is running right now. If you see it is stopped running, just tap on start to run that one. Again you need to find Bluetooth audio gateway service. You can see it is right here. Double tap on it. You can see it is set as manual. You have to set it as automatically. And if it is stopped, you have to stop it by you. Then after, tap on apply, tap on OK. Close this one and again right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on the Bluetooth driver, choose your Bluetooth adapter. In my case this is the Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Then it will be download latest version for your Bluetooth driver. Then close this one and go to start menu again, go to setting, go to Windows Update. If you pause your Windows Update, just resume it, and if you see check for update button in here, just tap on it. It will be download latest Windows version with the drivers version also. So it will be help to fix your Bluetooth related issues. And you can add manually the Bluetooth device. To do that, just go to start menu, go to setting, go to Bluetooth and devices. Make sure you are turned on Bluetooth and tap on add device, and you can choose which device you need to add. Just tap on that one and make sure your device that is need to connect on your computer should be turned on and turn on the pairing mode. So then it will be able to visible in here. Just tap on it and tap on connect. So this is how you can fix your issues and how to connect Bluetooth device onto your computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.